Hi, Andrew here from Meet Professional. We're going to be looking at the Meet Professional LSD20. This is a 3-in-1 tester that combines the functionality of loop, socket and digital multimeter. First we'll look at socket and loop functions. These operate from the top 3 terminals. There's no buttons to press with the LSD20, it's all on rotary dial. Switch into socket test and it shows us the position of each pin on the socket and gives us our incoming voltage. If we induce a fault condition, it's pretty clear that there's a problem as we get an audible tone and a red backlight. If all the parameters are okay for the test, we can go straight to loop. The tester conducts a low current test, so it won't trip your incoming RCD. 0.3 is the result, and it even tells us that it's a good result. With higher loop readings, we may get a check or fail indication. Any fail indication is given with a red backlight. Next, we'll take a look at the digital multimeter functions. Now we'll look at the LSD20 multimeter functions. It's easy to tell which terminals to use because yellow multimeter functions use yellow terminals. We've simplified the ranges on this multimeter, so we've only got the necessary functions, which is AC volts, DC volts, continuity, and then for extra accuracy we've got an auto null feature. AC volts comes with a ghost voltage busting facility. Readings are given to 1 decimal place, and any time that a hazardous voltage is present, the volts present LED illuminates. Right, now we're going to look at the continuity feature. Again, there's no test buttons to press. Just move the rotary dial straight to continuity. As you can hear, it gives an audible tone when there's continuity to make it easy to bell out when fault finding. For extra accuracy, we've got an auto null feature. So this will zero the value of the test leads. Then back to continuity and we've got a true 0. That's all the functions of the LSD20 from Meet Professional.